Welcome to the Gera video tutorial on GeraFold 424 up to GeraFold 430. This is a paper fold machine designed to reduce the document length in panels 21 centimeters and also to cross-fold in panels to 97 millimeters. And the machine is equipped with 3 folding programs. So we have the first program 190 millimeters plus 20 millimeters of margin by the cross fold of 297. So the document will be result in this way, will be folded in several panels 190, and then the last panel will be a bit longer to have 2 or 3 centimeters by the dimension 297. So the overall package dimension will be 190 plus 20 is 210 millimeters by 297. Then we have the second fold programs, that is the standard worldwide 210 or 8.5 by 297 or 11 inches. So it's enough to select a second fold program like there, where we have 210 by 297, and then we have the third program that you can customize the width of the panel below 170 millimeters and 297 or 305 millimeters. Customize it by selecting the third program. Okay, so if we wanted to change the value here, you press and you select with a certain limitation. You can get 170 by 297 or what else. How to operate in a machine? So the machine, it's easy. You have some QR to learn how to use it, to see this video and to troubleshoot some condition. The machine is simply to use by taking the document shortage, data box on upper right corner. So we align, so take care the document when feeding the table is fully aligned to the table. So you have the edge. When you approach to the fan folder, the machine started to fold first, then below here is transported to the transporter section and then comes on the cross folder. So even when we have a long plot, you have to take care to full align to the table guide, proceed on the entry, and with the hands keep fully aligned the documents to the edge. The documents will be fan folded and then cross folded. So our panel from here to here will be 297, and for example now we use the program at the standard one 210 by 297. We have from here to here 210.